Hello! Today, tuturuan kita paano mag-invest sa mutual funds. Siguro nagtataka ka bakit sinend ko tong video na to because I want you to be part of our financial education movement kung saan magtuturo kami sa 30 million Filipino families worldwide about financial literacy up to 2030. Mutual funds or stocks and equity fund, ito yung investment kung saan iniipon yung ating mga pera, meaning yung pera mo, pera ko at pera niya ay pinag-isa. Tayong mga investor ay pinag-isa yung pera natin at ilalagay sa fund house. Yung fund house naman, siya yung mag-i-invest at syempre mag-a-appoint siya ng fund manager, yung expert sa mutual fund stock market para i-invest yung pera natin sa securities, stocks and bonds. So makikita nyo, Meralco, BDO, Jollibee, Pure Gold, BPI, etc. Ito yung mga malalaking companies kung saan nag-i-invest sa mutual funds. Siyempre, yung funds natin na in-invest will generate returns or income, which will be passed back to us in the form of dividends or dividendo. So ito po yung cycle natin sa mutual funds. Ang mutual funds, napakaraming advantages. Unang-una, professional management. Hindi mo kailangan magaling sa trading kasi meron na magti-trade para sa'yo. Kasi meron tayong fund manager. So kahit tulog ka, merong nagtatrabaho for you. And of course, potentially higher returns compared mo naman sa bank. Bank is 0.25% but sa mutual funds, 12% or more. Low capital requirement. Bakit? Sa 1,000 pesos lang, pwede ka na makapag-start sa mutual funds. Instant diversification. Bakit? Do not put your eggs in one basket. Ika nga nila. So that's why it's very important na diversified yung ating investment. And mutual funds is diversified kasi divided siya into different companies. Safety and transparency. Bakit? Mutual funds is protected by the government, SEC, Securities and Exchange Commission, and at the same time sa IMG meron tayong sariling portal kung saan pwede mong mamonitor yung stocks mo everyday. Tax exempt. Bakit? Because mutual funds is covered by the law, by Republic Act 8424 or the Tax Reform Act of 1997. So wala pong taxes yung ating investment sa mutual funds. Build long term. Bakit? Kung nag-invest ka sa bangko and long term yung punto mo, the bank, of course, no, yung pera mo, nilagay mo sa bangko, hindi po nakapadlock yan. Invest mo ni bangko yan dito sa government securities, commercial papers, stocks and equities, retail loans, and real estate. So, kikita po si bank dyan ng roughly 12% at but ibabalik niya sa'yo 0.25% lang maliit. And of course, pwede ka naman mag-invest sa mutual funds kung saan ikaw ay shareholder or part owners ng malalaking company and yung pera mo ay investment. If you will put that, no, of course, mutual funds, i-invest niya dito sa tatlo. Government securities, commercial papers, and of course, sa stock market. So, mutual funds will earn 12%, ang ibabalik niya sa'yo 12%, which is better. So, saan ka dyan, no? 0.25 o 12%. So, example lang, kung meron kang 1,000 na sinisave every month, kung ilalagay mo siya sa 4%, no? After 35 years, do not expect milyonaryo ka. But if you will put your money in mutual funds at 12%, actually 30 years lang, that's already 3 million. What if 5,000 naman every month? Ilagay mo sa 12%, 10 years lang, that's already 1.1 million. So dito sa IMG, marami tayong benefits but ito lang yung didiscuss ko about mutual funds. So benefit number 10, free investment seminars. Dito sa IMG, tuturuan ka paano mag-invest and of course, no, paano ba yung tamang pag-invest in a good platform. So dito, zero entry fee, meaning pag nag-invest ka, no, wala pong mga charges because partner po natin yung Ramper Financials. And of course, dito makikita mo top 10 companies. Ito yung nasa loob niya sa ating Soldivo Strategic Fund. Once you become a member of IMG, meron ka ng free 1,000 na investment sa mutual funds and malalagay siya dito sa SM, example lang, Ayala, Bank of the Philippine Islands, BDO, Jollibee, and of course, etc. So para makapag-start ka, become a member of IMG for just 5,500 pesos only. So kasama na po dyan yung top 36 benefits, 35 benefits ng IMG. And of course, lifetime and one time lang po yung ating membership sa IMG. So, ano pa yung hinihintay mo? Become part of IMG and of course, magsimula ka nang mag-start na mag-invest sa mutual funds. Thank you so much. And this is J Mark again. No? Thank you so much for listening. God bless.